Hi all, today I will show you how to replace desktop hard drive. Yeah, it's running fine now. The desktop is running fine now. Okay, let me switch off. Just I'm unboxing hard disk with 500 GB space. Okay, just I am removing the screws. Then I have opened the cabin. Inside the CPU cabin you can see hard drive over here. Okay, let me remove it by unscrewing. Just I have removed the second screw. And also we need to remove the cabin screws now at the other side to get the access to remove the other side hard drive screws. Okay, we need to switch off the SMPS now to avoid the jolts. Just I'm trying to remove the hard drive now. Okay, we need to first remove SATA cable, then now power cable which has been connected to the hard drive. Then we can remove hard drive now. Okay, you can see the existing hard drive. Okay, then we need to take the new hard drive, connect it to SATA cable and power cable. Power cable comes from SMPS. This cable supplies the power to drive the hard disk, and signal would be transferred from hard drive to motherboard and motherboard to hard drive through SATA cable. Okay, let me insert this hard drive into the cabin. Okay, let me insert the screw now. Just I'm closing the CPU cabin at one side. And also let me close CPU cabin at another side. Okay. Just I'm switching on the CPU now. Let's see what it comes on the screen. The new hard disk doesn't have any operating system now. That is the reason it's not displaying anything. Okay, we need to load the operating system now. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you.